If you could parachute your dream home into the perfect location, this would be the ideal landing point. My name is Kathleen Luck and I would love to show you this low maintenance home that's close to Ashgrove and only an 8-minute walk from the Gap shopping village. With the dual concrete slab, you know this home is built to last and provides soundproofing rarely found in modern homes. You will love the modern updates made here, including the state-of-the-art kitchen with European features and generous island bench, and modern bathrooms with a luxurious large ensuite. Upstairs, you will find the bedrooms are all more than generous in size with lovely views. However, one enormous bedroom provides scope to split into two if you wish to move all of the sleeping arrangements to the upper level. This home will be appreciated by those who look for the finer details of comfort, and they will notice the stunning Taylor Range views, plantation shutters, low maintenance garden, and this fine location that is very hard to secure. You have the benefits of being close to transport and shops without the noise of a main road. 300 metres away from the City Direct bus and only 600 metres from the shopping village and family parks. For a trip a little bit further, you'll find a few gems our suburb is known famously for: on-water activities at the Resi, bushwalking and mountain biking. If this sounds like your dream home, please contact myself or one of our team members to arrange your viewing.